Gotta catch this moment. This beautiful moment. Is that a pretty good donut, Dad?
Huh?
Is that a pretty good donut?
Not bad.
If anybody ever wonders where I get my sense of style. Style inspo right there. That's a good looking bathing suit, Dad.
Yeah, this is one of those ones I got for $2.50.
$2.50. Wow.
Crabs. I
That was less than a can of Pringles. What are we doing today, Dad?
Great Mackinac, the Mackinac Island, Mackinac City.
Going to the bridge.
Yeah.
We're gonna put our boat underneath the bridge.
That's right.
It's on our bucket list.
That's right. Oh, my moo. Here she comes. I wonder if we're setting a record for smallest boat on
The baddest and the smallest.
on the Great Lakes. Kyle stall toss.
Oh my god.
Oh gosh. Seriously starting to get a little worried about capsizing. How small our boat is compared to the other boats. A little behind the scenes action of my mom trying to manage our crazy dog. Trying to get on the dock. Molly's a little nervous. All right. Oh, she just jumps right in. She's a natural. Got to get the pirate flag out. Got to let them know.
Pirate.
This would be the most uneventful video ever if it just doesn't start. Good Molly. You're so good. Are we ready to rock and roll? Let them know we're here. Let them know. Let the other boats know. Let's do it.
Stay.
And we're off. We're boat buds. We're boat buds.
Isn't that right?
Boat homies for life. Boat homies stick together. They stick together. Oh, you look so good. You're so good. What do you think about the bridge, Molly? What do you think? Doesn't have a lot to say about it. The Mackinac Bridge. Oh God.
Kyle, slow it down all the way. I'm freaking.
Yeah, no. It's a lot more tumultuous than you'd think.
Slow down. I want a life jacket. Look those big ones. Okay, Kyle. Okay, this is not fun.
We are so determined to go under this bridge. Dad's just chilling. Mom and I are just freaking out. Molly, you're going under the bridge. Woo! And we're going into Lake Michigan. Oh, cool. Sweet. We're turning back around. Molly under the bridge, bro. So cool. Wow. Oh man. We took on a little bit of water. Are we upside down? Okay. Bridge. And Molly. Good stuff. I'm back on the bridge. Does that look better? Damn. That's a big boat. Dad's trying to get the big boat to wave. There's no way they can even hear us. How big that boat is. Everybody wave. From one captain to the other. Oh, they're waving. They're waving. Oh, the captain waved, Dad. The captain waved. Respect. Respect. So cute. Oh, wow. So strong. So powerful.
She is. She's a powerful dog.
This is how you do it, folks. Proper form, Mom. This is how you do it. Years of practice. Look at this form. Doesn't get much better than that, does it? Oh, Molly has something to say about it too. Very successful, family.
That was a successful boating right there.
It was a fun day today.
Yeah, I don't think I captured how truly chaotic it was, though.
Going
It was
out.
pretty scary.
Mama was freaking.
Yeah.
Mama was a freaking.
I didn't even record it
You
because
were
it was just.
freaking a little
Oh,
bit
you-
there.
I recorded some of it, but like, that's what she sounded like. Look at that wiener. That's huge. Oh my god. What do you think, Dad? Did you see the wiener?
Yeah, I see it up there, that big hot dog.